Good morning, class.
Morning,
Morning,
Miss.
So how are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. So first, I will check your attendance list. So please say I'm here or present when I mention your name. Sandra,
Present.
Anissa,
I'm here.
Jasmine,
Present, Miss.
Arlene.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so today we will learn about the procedure text. Before I explain about what is the procedure text, I wanna ask you. So, do you like cooking a noodle or maybe cooking telur dadar atau telur ceplok?
Yes.
Yes.
Nah, so when we want to when we will cook like a noodle or telur dadar atau dan sebagainya, so what tools that we need?
Pan,
Pot,
stove,
ada mangkuk, sendok, garpu ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, that the tools that we need. And the first thing that we should do when we want to cook a noodle. So what the first thing?
boil the water.
Yeah, boil some water and prepare the seasoning ya. Lalu masukkan minyak ke air mendidih. Lalu ditunggu 2-3 menit sampai matang. Nah, itu merupakan contoh dari procedure text. Okay, so let's move to the definition about the procedure text. Nah, jadi apa yang dicontohkan tadi itu merupakan example dari procedure text. Definisi dari procedure text itu di sini ada beberapa definisi. Yang pertama itu, the first definition is the procedure text is the text that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals, how to use like for example like how to use the video, how to use the computer, and then how to use the tape recorder and etc. Jadi prosedur teks ini merupakan teks yang isinya tuh menjelaskan bagaimana bagaimana menggunakan sesuatu atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. Lalu definisi kedua itu definition of procedure text is the text that instruct how to do a particular activity. Jadi teks prosedur ini menjelaskan bagaimana untuk melakukan aktivitas partikular. Contohnya kayak buku resep, nah itu, terus aturan dari permainan, terus science experiments atau road safety rules. Jadi intinya procedure text itu merupakan suatu teks yang isinya menjelaskan bagaimana cara bekerja sesuatu atau bagaimana cara menggunakan sesuatu. Okay, let's move to the generic structure. Okay, so here in the procedure text, there are 3 generic structure. The first one is goal, the second one is material or ingredient, and the last one is step. Goal itu merupakan tujuan. Contohnya, tujuannya how to make a noodle, how to make a cup of coffee. Itu merupakan goal dari prosedur text. Nah, lalu yang kedua material or ingredient. Jadi bahan-bahan bahan-bahan atau alat yang dibutuhkan untuk melakukan sesuatu atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. Lalu yang terakhir itu ada step, ada langkah-langkahnya. Okay, let's move to the purpose of the procedure text. Nah, jadi tujuan dari procedure text ini, of course, to explain or tell the reader how to make or operate or do something through a sequence of actions or steps. Jadi tujuannya untuk menjelaskan atau memberitahukan kepada pembaca bagaimana cara membuat atau mengoperasikan atau melakukan sesuatu melalui beberapa langkah. Lalu yang kedua itu to explain steps or instruction to make or operate or do something. Okay, let's move to the language feature of procedure text. Nah, di sini ada beberapa language feature yang terdapat di procedure text. Yang pertama itu ada use adverbial of sequence or temporal conjunction. Jadi contohnya kayak first, second, third, the last, nah gitu, and etc. Lalu yang kedua itu ada use command or imperative sentence. Misalnya, put the noodles on the boil water, or cut the onion, or wash the tomatoes, and etc. Lalu yang ketiga itu ada using adverbials. Jadi using adverbials ini ditujukan untuk express detail the time, place, manner accurate. Contohnya tuh kayak memberitahukan, misalnya kita memasak mie. Jadi mie-nya direbus selama 2-3 menit dan lain-lain. Lalu ada lagi using action verbs. Action verbs itu kayak ya kata kerja ya. Misalnya kayak make, take, boil, cook, etc. And then the last one is using simple present tense. Okay. So, ada yang mau ditanyakan sebelumnya? Sebelum kita ke latihan. Do you get the point?
Yes.
Ya, oke. So, jadi Ibu akan membagi kalian ke dalam beberapa kelompok. Jadi, setiap kelompok itu membuat prosedur teks, lalu mempresentasikan langsung. I will give you 10 minutes. Is it enough?
Yes, it's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So start from now. Finish, guys?
Yeah.
So who wants to present your work first?
Me,
Michael.
Okay, Anissa and
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Okay.
So, its procedure text is about how to make a cup of coffee. There is a material and ingredients. The material is 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of coffee powder, a hot water, a cup, and a spoon.
Okay.
Next,
Okay.
Jasmine.
Next, it's about procedure how to make coffee. The first is prepare 2 spoons of sugar, a cup, hot water, 1 spoon of coffee powder, and second, put 1 spoon of coffee powder into the cup And third, pour some hot water into the cup. And fourth, add 2 spoons of sugar into a cup of coffee. And the last one is stir it well and the hot coffee is ready to drink.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for Anissa and Jasmine. Good job. Itu benar ya, tadi ada language feature-nya, ada goal-nya atau aim-nya. Tadi goal-nya atau aim-nya apa?
How to make a cup
How
of
to make
coffee.
a coffee.
Ya, terus ada materialnya atau ingredient-nya, lalu ada step-nya. Oke, lanjut.
How to
Sandra
make,
sama Ai.
yeah. How to
Yeah.
make fruit ice. The material are mango, avocado, sugar water, milk, ice, apples, strawberries, wine, jackfruit.
And for the steps, first cut the fruit round or dice. Then scorching the flesh of a melon. Then boil sugar with water until cooked for about 13 minutes. And next, put in serving glasses that have been cut round pieces or dice. Then to taste, pour the sugar water, put ice cubes and put milk on ice fruit. Last, put the decoration of the glass with a piece of strawberry on it.
Oke, thank you Sandra and give applause for Sandra and Ain. Oke, that's great. Benar ya, jadi ada goal-nya juga, ada language feature-nya juga udah benar, terus ada materialnya, ingredient-nya, ada step-nya. Okay, so before we close this meeting, so ada yang mau menyimpulkan dari pertemuan hari ini? Kita habis belajar apa? Okay, Jasmine.
From our today's material is about procedure text. The procedure text is a text that explains how something works and how to make something. And then there are three chapters of procedure text. The first one is a goal, and then material and ingredients, and the last is step. And next is the purpose about the procedure itself is to explain or tell the reader how to make or how to use something. And the language feature of procedure text as they are used adverbial subsequent or the conjunction, use command, using adverb to express detailed time, place, or stuff, and then use active verb like make, take, cook, or boil, and the last is using completion.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, thank you for your terima kasih sudah hadir ya di pertemuan hari ini. And see you next week. Silakan boleh leave dari Zoom.
Terima kasih, Miss.
Sama-sama.